everyone, welcome back to IU Travels. After spending almost a year within the four walls of the house, I am finally amidst the nature over here in Igatpuri. In my background, you see the beautiful Lake Vetarna. Here we are staying at a very gorgeous property, which is the Lake Vetarna Resort. Quite budget-friendly rates, and if you want to know how much did we paid for our stay, watch this video till the end, and I hope you like it. Time for room tour. Whoa. Okay, so we have some fresh towels, toilet papers, and here is a bed. That's a sofa. Huge bright windows, and you have to see this. The view from the room. That's Lake Vetarna in the background. Hello guys, so we have just reached the property and this place is amazing. As I was saying, if you want to know the rates, watch this video till the end because I know you'll be totally amazed to hear what we have paid for this Swiss chalet room. All set, going for lunch. So Josina was saying something right now.
This place is apt for family trips and
One day picnic.
cousins reunion.
Or anything that you would like to do for a weekend getaway. So lunch is all set. We are having papad, kofta curry, bhindi ki sabzi, roti, salad, and not without my chas, and a lovely view. So dessert is being served at the end and we are having some shrikhand. If staying in a wooden room amidst the forest and amidst the beautiful nature has been on your list, Lake Vetarna Resort over here in Igatpuri, which is roughly a 3.5 hours drive from Mumbai, is here to offer this experience to you. So we have booked this Swiss chalet rooms over here. We booked two of them, so we got one lower deck and one upper deck. Apart from there are multiple room categories over here. Let's move on to the next one, which is right adjacent to this one. Over here you see these are the Java Plum cottages, and there is one villa as well, and deluxe rooms, but all of them offer gorgeous views of the Lake Vetarna, which is such a splendid experience. So this is the pool area. This is a very small pool. Kids can really enjoy this place, and as I said, that's our room. So here is the reception. This is the reception and the cafe area. So right next to the kids play area is a wonderful common area for people to sit, chill and relax. Let's have a view of this as well. So this is the cafe area, and there's also some seating place here. That's the reception. And now we are moving for our snacks. So let's check our snacks mein kya hai. Okay, so snacks are being served, and what is it? Vada! Mast lasun ki chutney and garma garam chai. So as we move out from the reception area and you walk straight, you also get a gorgeous view of one of the other villas. And what I was about to tell you is you can even cycle around this property. So you can hire one of these cycles, which is priced at rupees 50 for an hour. So we have taken two such, and now I'm about to search my friends. Where are they? Okay, so they are there on the road. That's Eden, the Priksha chilling with the dog. This is how the property looks during the night. So beautiful, so ethereal, so romantic at the same time. So we are back to the cafe area for dinner. Let's see what's there in dinner. So papad. Bhaji, more bhaji. Good morning. It's 8:30 in the morning, and we are heading towards breakfast. But before that, we also thought we'll just take a stroll around this property because the morning scenes are also equally bliss. Plus, you get to enjoy sunset and sunrise both from the same view. That is, if you're opting for these Swiss chalet rooms, you get to experience both sunrise and sunset. Holistic view of the lake, a really nice pool to chill in, and so much more to offer just at the price of 2K. What else would you expect for? So guys, I would like you to meet Eden.
Hi guys.
So Eden has planned this entire trip for us. She had done the find out the location, spoke to the hotel guys, and found out this super stellar deal for us, which I just told her about. Just under 2K, correct?
Yes.
Under 2K, you get all those things. And sorry, I missed one
All
thing.
meals included, and with this beautiful property and with this awesome view.
Awesome view, and also like a veg, non-veg, even Jain options are available. So Eden, how did you find the non-veg food?
The non-veg food was pretty good actually. In fact, everything was pretty good. The veg, non-veg, the snacks, everything was great. Yeah.
And what all options did you get under the non-veg section?
So we had like in the afternoon we had one chicken gravy and one chicken dry, and in the night actually I especially liked it because we also had fish fry and a chicken gravy. So yeah, the fish was delicious.
And you also get some ice creams here. So ice creams are actually charged 15 rupees extra on each product. So that is something that you have to take
Yeah.
care of. If you're willing to pay, it's okay. Otherwise, you may skip it. Well, until next time, keep
Bye.
traveling. Bye bye. Keep traveling and keep exploring.